Hey guys, what is going on? It is the Crypto Kid, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about is the cryptocurrency bear market over and when will the bull crypto market begin? Now, everyone is talking about this lately due to the fact that Bitcoin has surged almost $1,000 in the past couple days, and I want to talk about is this just a manipulation of the market? Is it just a quick bounce? And will correct itself and continue in the bear market, or is this a really good sign that the bull market is coming? Okay, so let's get right into this video. Now, please like the video if you do like it, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications as it helps me a lot, and follow my social media. So let's get right into this, guys. Now, currently, Bitcoin is at $7,400, well, $7,419. Down 0.1% today, market cap 127 billion. And if we go into the charts here, we can see that it was on June 28th, it hit a low of 6,100, and then a quick rise off that bounce. It bounced to 6,600, came back down to 6,200, and now it bounced from around 6,400 July 16th all the way to 7,400 on July 19th. Okay, so surged $1,000 in a very quick amount of time, which was really good for Bitcoin, right? Everyone saw it as, oh, this is the end of the bull market, and that could very well be true, but I'm going to be kind of going over because no one really knows, guys. I don't know for sure. I'm just going to be using my my best guess if the bear market is over. So with August coming right around the corner, guys, and the ETF that is going to be hopefully approved for Bitcoin. However, there is no guarantee to that, but the SEC is making their opinion and going to basically make their decision from August 16th, or they could do it, extend that all the way to September, so they don't have to make a decision all the way to September, but hopefully they approve it right when it starts, but no one really knows. So that was supposed to be the turnaround for Bitcoin. Everyone thought that was going to be the turnaround. However, it may not get approved. Hopefully it does, because if it does, guys, the price is going to surge probably to like 30,000 very quickly, very quickly. It's a very big deal. ETFs are massive. It's going to make buying of crypto very simple. Anyone can do it, because the problem with cryptocurrency is most people, right? A lot of people don't understand it, and it is pretty difficult if you think about it. It's a lot more than just buying stocks. It's much more difficult than buying a stock. But the ETFs is going to make it as easy as buying stocks. So hopefully that does happen. We just have to really wait on that. But before even that, the bull market can already start, because there has actually been signs using time. There's an indicator that is not on TradingView. I will show you the chart. It's not on TradingView, but you have been seeing it going around, and it's basically a time axle analyst, which kind of shows when the time is right to buy Bitcoin. And right here, it was very corrupted, and that was a good sign that the bull market was coming. And right now, it is also very corrupted. And as soon as that came out, as soon as that indicator came out, Bitcoin made a massive surge. Okay, and that time frame was supposed to be between July 15th and July 26th. A bull market could start, or in August. Okay, so obviously we've seen a little pre bounce of what the bull market is going to do, if this is the bull market. Now, a pullback was expected, and we're not really seeing a massive pullback. And really, when we usually get these massive gains, you see a pullback instantly. You see a pullback probably half of what it did increase pretty quickly. And the fact that we didn't see it that quickly is a good sign. However, guys, we are still kind of not out of the bear market in terms of chart analysts, okay? Since a correction to 6,800 or 7,000 was expected. We haven't seen that yet, but it was expected. Even in a bull market, that would be okay, a correction to 7,000 and then start moving up. But we haven't even seen that, which is quite interesting. Because as we talked about before, right, we're not really moving that much down. And this surge in price has actually been really good. But since Bitcoin and stuff, guys, is very emotional based, and it really just requires a little bit of good news to start moving. We need newer people coming in. In order to do that, we need other communities talking about it, like Forbes, like CNBC, like all of these big things that people watch, right? People pay attention to. And normal people, not involved in crypto, okay? So if we go over to Bitcoin surges today, if you just type that in, you see many stories from Bloomberg, Forbes, Market Watch. This is all really, really good for crypto, okay? Literally, this is gonna make people want to jump on the bandwagon, because people not even into crypto, that don't know about technical analysts, might see, oh, the bull market has started, I'm gonna get into Bitcoin, make $1 million. And obviously it doesn't always happen like that, but we need those kind of thinking so we can get the bull market going, right? Because that it requires new people, new investors, and positive attitudes of all investors, okay? As you can see here, this line here is the 200-day moving average. Currently, we are under that, which is also a good sign, because 90% of the time that Bitcoin is under the 200-day moving average. And if you buy under that time, you can expect to see up to 280% gains or more within 1 year. Okay, within 1 year. So that is really good. Since we're under that time, if you bought now, theoretically, you could see 90% of the time, 280% gains next year or more, right? If it was 280%, we'd see a price of around 18,000, which would almost where we were back when it hit its all-time high of around 20,000. Now, this is a good sign for the crypto market too. And the reason I'm saying Bitcoin, guys, I'm not really talking about other coins, is because most coins revolve around Bitcoin, right? They follow Bitcoin's price. And if you don't think that, then all you really have to do is look at these 7-day charts, okay? All of the charts look pretty similar, except obviously Tether. There is some coins that don't behave like this. Right now, VeChain's one. It's not really behaving. It's kind of doing a bear market. For some reason, it's not really behaving like most coins. So maybe that is a good option to get into, right? Because VeChain is very undervalued right now. Didn't even have a bounce when Bitcoin really moved up. Same thing with Digibyte. Digibyte has been moving similar to the market. So there are coins that don't move to the market, but a lot of them do, as you can see. A lot of them do. So there is no question that coins follow Bitcoin's movements. So we are under the 200-day moving average. A lot of people are talking about crypto right now, which is good. We want that. However, technically, on chart analysts, we are not out of the bear market, which is okay. But we are close to the 70 moving average, which usually results, right, in a pullback. We haven't seen that yet, because we haven't really hit that line. But hopefully we don't see that. Hopefully, because when I was talking about that other indicator, you can maybe find it online, where the time, it's also results in time, not just price. So the time analyst here, and it was very congested around this time, meaning Bitcoin's going to pop. So if we actually go correlate that with the time frame here, when Bitcoin did pop really a lot, it was going over the 70. It was going over, moving down like a little bit, and then going over, going on. And right now, that's why I believe it's not going to just bounce back once it gets to the 70 moving average. I think it's going to go over, hopefully anyways, and then come back, and hopefully that is going to be the beginning of the bull market, an actual beginning. And that would be amazing, especially if we can get over this 200-day moving average at some point, right? Because that's really going to be a sign of a bull market. Now, I'm no financial advisor, guys. I do want to make that clear. I am not giving financial advice. This is not financial advice. It's just my opinion on the crypto market at the time. So that is what I think, guys. I think we, technically speaking, aren't out of a bear market. However, I believe we're going into a bull market very, very shortly. So get ready, guys. The bear market is over. You need to spread good news, because if everyone believes we're in a bear market still, then we are going to be in a bear market, because it depends on our emotions. It depends on what people think, because statistically, more people are buying Bitcoin as the price goes higher. More people buy at $20,000 than they do buy it at $6,000, which is very, 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 very good for us, right? It's just a statistic because it's more hyped. Everyday people see it on the news, see it on CNBC, Forbes, and they say, I want to get in, and they just keep buying it, just keeps going, right? Until eventually we get a pullback, a correction. People sell their profits and stuff, but that doesn't happen for a while with Bitcoin. So once it's in the bull market, that's very good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video. Comment below what you think. Are we in a bear market still, or is this the beginning of the bull market? However, guys, remember that the bull market is coming soon. So just hold your horses and really get ready, because this year I think is going to be amazing for Bitcoin, for all kinds of other altcoins. And yeah, that is what I think, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you do want to pick up some crypto, there'll be a link in the description for Coinbase, which will get you free $10. So pretty cool if you want free $10. If you don't use the link. But thank you, guys. See you later. Peace.